we're gonna fabricate steel brackets to hang a shelf made of a solid piece of log. It's a heavy hardwood, so it must be heavy duty. Starting up by cutting the pieces, it's gonna be T-shaped brackets. I had some leftover tubes. They are both 2 millimeter. There are two types, both 2 millimeter thick. One is 5 centimeter by 2, the other one is 5 centimeter by 3. It seems that the more toxic gases I produce during the welding process, the better the penetration is. Here's where the shelf gonna live. This is a brick wall with fair amount of plaster, so I managed just to cut through the plaster without digging into the bricks, and that was enough to mount the brackets flush with the surface of the wall. Each bracket has 3 mounting points times 4, because there are 4 brackets. So in total it gives 12 attachment points. So it's plenty enough for the log that weighs about 6,000 pounds. To find the level for the second bracket, I'm gonna use rubber hose and self-leveling properties of water. I have the second bracket installed already. So to look for the level for the remaining two, which are in between the ones that are already installed, I'm gonna use a simple string. I have painted and roughened a bit of surface of the bracket in order to apply a bit of smudge to level it out with the wall surface. Then I'm gonna apply eventually the finish, and someday in the future I'm gonna paint it on, and it should not be visible by then. I always learned it the hard way. One needs to prep his hole before plugging it. Okay, it's a log, a solid piece of some type of hardwood. I don't know what it is. It's been used as a shelf for a long time. That's why it has a bit of bow and a twist, but it's not too bad. So I'm not gonna change anything. So I look for the straight line and mark levels for the brackets. The shelf gonna rest on them, and they're gonna be slightly embedded. I don't want to go through the log in the center because I don't have tools to make a proper holes. It's much easier to take some material from the surface, and the log has a crack in it, so I don't want to compromise its structure. You see the line that I was intended to go to, but I couldn't because I have to admit my bit is too short, so I can take only shallow passes. In the end, and it turned out to look good because the middle sections of the bracket are flush. The middle brackets are flush with the surface of the log, and the most extreme ones, the two on the edges, are a bit broad, but it looks kind of good. So I'm gonna leave it like it is. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.